Welcome to my channel where I provide my personal bucket list. On today's video we are going to look on Graff Diamond Collection. Creating diamond history. The House of Graff has been a custodian of many of the world's most celebrated gemstones, characterized by their unique quality, their historical provenance or their epic journeys from stone to polished beauty.
Renowned for purchasing some of the world's rarest diamonds, Lawrence Graff is now transforming these stones into exotically designed jewel. Graff and his team of designers begun influences that span the cultural and centuries, from the colorful Indian Mughal era to the Oriental-European Brooke period.
Tenth on the list is the Royal Star of Paris. A rare diamond brooch. It is unprecedented that the two stones of such exceptional quality and carat weight have been brought together in one jewel. Marking the centerpiece of this magnificent brooch is the Graff Sunflower, a 107.46 carat fancy yellow cushion-cut diamond, framed by an abstract formation of hand-selected pear-shaped and brilliant-cut diamonds.
Ninth on the list is the Pink Perfection, a rare diamond brooch which was unveiled in Paris. A myriad of THR finest white diamonds scintillate around the central 8.97 carat fancy vivid pink pear-shaped diamond, to form a flower in bloom. A notable 38.13 carat D flawless pear-shaped diamond, handcrafted with minimal platinum setting to accentuate the luminosity of the stone, cascades elegantly from the central motif. Next on the list is the Le Collier Bleu Rive, showcasing a mesmerizing 10.47 carat fancy vivid blue internally flawless briolette diamond, an extremely rare and unique cut for an inconceivably elegant colored stone. The hypnotic depth of the blue briolette is perfectly juxtaposed with a striking 4.22 carat untreated old mine Colombian emerald, undoubtedly the very finest example possible, with no inclusions or garden. Seventh on the list, the Diamond and Sapphire Collection. An extraordinary Graff masterpiece comprising a scintillating web of white diamonds weighing 35.12 carats, vibrant sapphire weighing 28.50 carats and 47.57 carats of richly hued blue sapphires. A mesmerizing lattice of contrasting shapes and vivid colors makes this a truly remarkable and unique jewel. Sixth on the list is the mesmerizing Graff Butterfly. The Graff Butterfly watch is inspired by the delicate symmetry of the butterfly. Comprised of a highly sculptural arrangement of 4 dazzling pear-shaped diamonds, each butterfly appears to hover above a layer of intricately set gemstones. A contemporary timepiece featuring a kaleidoscope of diamond butterflies that appear to effortlessly float upon an underlying pave-set sapphire, emerald, ruby, and diamond dial, with a blue alligator leather, emerald and sapphire with diamond strap. A beautiful and mesmerizing watch collection. For many thousands of years, rubies have been celebrated as symbols of romance and passion. Graff's gemologists, designers and master craftsmen work diligently with only the finest rubies in order to create pieces that will be worn by generations to come. The calligraphic abstractions of the artist C. Twombly inspired this exquisite necklace, which showcases the superlative skills of the master craftsman. The rubies and diamonds, invisibly set so that the metal is hidden from view, form an endless loop of radiance and rich color, creating an intense play of light on the décolletage. echoing the free-flowing lines and exuberant creativity of the American artist C. Twombly. Griffiths, inspired by Twombly collection, paints abstract forms in the finest gemstones. In these elegantly looping earrings, two pear-shaped rubies are suspended from seamless swirls of rubies and diamonds. Two rare and remarkable cushion-cut Burmese rubies weighing 4.31 carats and 3.75 carats have been perfectly matched in these classically elegant stud earrings, framed by rippling halos of sleek baguette-cut diamonds. Fourth on the list is the Emerald Magnificent Collection. First discovered over 4,000 years ago, emeralds became the prized jewels of emperors, maharajas and queens. Griff is renowned for emeralds of unsurpassable quality, having established a firm legacy for high jewelry using only the most beautiful emeralds on earth. Designed and crafted in the London workshop, the one-of-a-kind emerald jewels can be found in Gruff stores worldwide. This intricate necklace presents an array of multi-shaped white diamonds weighing 63.60 carats, set to create a sparkling web that beautifully contrasts with 34 richly hued emeralds weighing 46.45 carats. The meticulous attention to detail from our design team and master craftsmen is demonstrated in the elegant inclusion of emerald accents upon the chain and clasp. Griff's mastery of cutting and polishing complex and unique gemstones is perfectly showcased in this exceptionally rare pair of earrings, which feature two magnificent Colombian emeralds weighing 18.69 and 18.49 carats, accentuated by expertly articulated fringes of pear-shaped stones. The peerless beauty of this 22.84-carat Cabocan Colombian emerald required a setting that would do justice to its exquisite rarity. Formed of 115 diamonds weighing over 70 carats, its sculptural bracelet is a celebration of the pear-shaped diamond, while simultaneously framing the vibrant, central stone. Griff's designers and craftsmen have worked tirelessly to create such a striking bracelet that features several layers of relief, adorning the wrist in a voluminous display of scintillation. The rich hue of this rare lozenge-cut Colombian emerald is like no other. It is greener than green, and one of the finest and rarest examples of emerald in the world today. Its bewitching color is effortlessly complemented by a scintillating halo of white heart-shaped diamonds, further complemented by a beautiful paved diamond band. Third on the list, the Yellow Diamond Collection. Yellow diamonds conjure the sun's rays, pure joy emanates from their bright depths. Griff is renowned for yellow diamonds, with a legacy of cutting and polishing many of the world's most important and rare yellow jewels. Yellow diamonds can be discovered at all of Griff stores, bringing a scintillating symbol for happiness to each corner of the globe. The lucent glow of an extraordinary 32.11 carat fancy yellow radiant cut diamond is the focal point of this elaborately elegant necklace. Encircled by a halo of pear-shaped white diamonds, set to resemble the petals of a flower, suspended from the brilliant bloom is an exquisite 7.16 carat fancy vivid yellow briolette diamond drop. A feat of design and craftsmanship, more than 95 carats of mixed-shape white and yellow diamonds have been set to form an elaborate arrangement of stones that appears random but is in fact carefully considered, with minimal metal visible in between, a signature of the House of Gruff that allows the stones to take center stage. A rare and dramatically colored fancy intense yellow 36.23 carat emerald cut diamond is the scintillating star of this ring. Embraced by a sleek and simple setting, its contours are illuminated by white trilliant cut diamond shoulders and white paved diamonds. an enchanting brooch depicting a tender moment between two glittering birds, presented in pink and white diamonds, with onyx and sapphire accents. Graf has a rich and varied history of creating charming figurative brooches inspired by flora and fauna, often showcasing remarkable diamonds and colored gemstones, such as this display of exceptional pink paved diamonds. Delicate tendrils of Mark's white diamonds adorn their white diamond brooch, and form the elegant feathers that bring these charismatic birds to life. A magnificent diamond brooch featuring an 8.97 carat fancy vivid pinkish-orange pear-shaped diamond, a 4.69 carat fancy grey-blue pear-shaped diamond, a 3.23 carat fancy deep brown-orange cushion-cut diamond, a 3.08 carat fancy vivid yellow pear-shaped diamond, and over 75 carats of white diamonds. A pure masterpiece of lyrical, figurative design, housing some of the world's most important colored diamonds. First on the list is the magnificent watch collection. Graf Diamonds has unveiled the world's most valuable transformable timepiece. Christened the Fascination, it is ingeniously designed as a watch with a detachable part that becomes a ring. Apart from telling time, this unique creation can also transform into a dazzling diamond ring. Unveiled at Basel World, the Fascination starts off as a watch that is bejeweled with 152.96 carats of white diamonds and a center fancy cut exquisitely rare stone that is a 38.13 carat D flawless pear-shaped diamond. Valued at $40 million, the Fascination fascinates by doing much more than just telling the time. The focus of attention is on the pear-shaped masterpiece that is conceptualized to be worn as a watch dial in a highly architectural diamond bracelet, or detach it and slip it on the finger as a rocking ring. Graf unveils the most expensive watch in the world, the Hallucination. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe.